and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a very different video. I actually have one of my dogs that's going to be in this video. So if you haven't seen the title, this is a Bark Box unboxing video. I was very impressed with how cute this box was, so I just started the subscription. Me and my husband are going to try it out for about a year. But the deal we got was if you start a subscription, you got a free puppy splash pad. So it's like you run your sprinkler system through it, and then they'll be able to play in the little splash pad. It works perfect for my boys in summer. It's quite heavy. It doesn't say the size of this really, but yeah, it's you just pretty much, it's paw resistant, so it won't rip or anything. And you fill with water, no air required, sprays water 5 feet high. So we got the palm one, tropical palm one, and my daughter's here helping me out with my dog. If you want to see him, come here, Bakugo. Alright, so if you haven't known, I do have pugs now. This is Bakugo. You had seen him in a video, I think it was my skincare routine video, and I featured Guillermo and Bakugo for a split second, but this is Bakugo now. He's grown quite a bit. Say hi. Hi. He is a brindle pug. He's very hyper, always eats, super crazy. He's very for himself, that's for sure. He's a very independent dog. Say hi. Bakugo. He sees my daughter behind the camera. He's so cute. But he's going to help me unbox this because Guillermo is currently downstairs with his girlfriend, or, you know, my sister's dog, Juno. She's also a pug as well. But Guillermo is a black pug. If you've seen him in my video a lot more than you did Bakugo, but I'll feature him in videos for the Bark Box because I think I'm going to do this every single month, so that way we can kind of see what's going on. So the theme of this, you could pick ice cream cones or you could pick Jurassic Park. So naturally we chose Jurassic Park. So it's so funny because it said hold on to your mutts. I thought that was funny. So it's a Bark and Jurassic World have teamed up for an adventure 65 million years in the making. In dog years, that's really long time ago. To celebrate, we've brought your dog cargo of our favorite dinosaurs. Nothing could possibly go wrong from here, so prepare to be amazed, pups. So yeah, it's got like, it features what type of plushies you could get, but we got, it's like a random thing, but I think, you know, because we got half treats, half toys, and then you get a chew. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's cute. So for the first thing, it is the chews that they get. These look a little small for my dogs because my dogs are crazy. So these are the pork stick recipe for dogs, made with real pork, high protein, no soy, corn, or wheat. Let's see. Well, I mean, oh. This one is a 1.5 ounce. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little sticks. And as you can see, this is how small they are. So I'm not quite sure what to make of those because they're too small. You have a choice to like pick your category of dogs. And of course, mine ran into the 10. What was it, like a small breed? They were small breeds to 20 pounds, and then medium breeds and large breeds. We did the small one because Guillermo is about 16 pounds, and he's in that category. He's a really nice size. He's not a fat pug. He's really like built. Like, I think he's pretty, like, he's actually a very handsome dog. And then Bakugo is much smaller. I mean, he's lighter. Sometimes he looks as big as Guillermo, but then other times he looks about a little bit smaller. But he's still very small, I feel, because he's messing with stuff in here. He's just very like floppy, and Guillermo's really solid. But Bakugo he's still baby, it seems, because he has like a baby bark. Guillermo has this nice manly bark, but it's so funny. Alright, so for the treats, you get 2 treats, 2 plushes, and then the chew. I'm not sure what to do with the chew because they're really small, so I might have to just break it up and give it to him in little pieces. And then you get these guys. So they're soft baked biscuits, and they're called Raptor Scraps. So that's what they are. And they're dog-sized treats for colossal appetites. Well, that falls into your category, huh, Bakugo? Look, tweet tweet. Yes, he loves tweet tweet. So, it's got, let's see, main ingredient is turkey, then they're soft baked, and this has mouth-watering blueberries, cranberries, and raspberries, so interesting. Turkey recipe biscuits with mixed berries. Seems pretty cool. I mean, they're not going to put stuff that's poisonous, but my pugs have very sensitive stomachs, so that's why I might change it to just toys next time. I'm going to go ahead and open this Bakugo since he's here. He gets to try it. So there they are. Little tiny little biscuits. And I'll give it to him in pieces because he's like crazy. Bring him forward. Oh, you dropped it in my drawer. What'd you think? It smells like blueberries. Smell it.
It does.
It smells like blueberries. My daughter's here helping me with him.
He's eating it anyway. He's in a car.
Is that interesting? Is it yummy? You know, he's crazy when it comes to food, so I'm surprised he's just kind of nibbling on it. He probably doesn't like it all that much. We'll see how Guillermo likes it. Yeah, try that one. He's the only one to be trusted up here because Guillermo, he has such like, he's so like anxiety driven, and he gets so excited that he'll pee or poop. So we don't allow him upstairs. But Bakugo, we do. He seems to do pretty good. Oh, do you like it? He likes it. Bakugo approved. I don't know, he might like doing these videos with me. Alright, then we get another one. We get Raptor Scraps again. And this is made with real sweet potato, real berries, and it's 100% vegan, okay? Jerky with sweet potato and mixed berries. Now try this one. I know he's going to love doing this. So they're bigger biscuits, like bigger biscuits. So he's just going to, I'm just going to do like a little bit because I don't want to overfeed him. Pugs, you have to be really careful because you don't want to overfeed them. You can see him eating it. You like it? Let's see if he likes it. It's a lot harder. It's not really soft. So we'll have to see how he, oh, he liked it. You want another piece? He does a lot of, yeah, he does a lot of like, well, he does that. Like he snorts a lot because he's got, his snout is much more pushed in than Guillermo's. Oh, yes, you like this? You like it? I know, Guillermo's missing out. We'll have to give him some. So it's Bakugo proof. What isn't, though? Alright. Now for the last two pieces, it's plushies. So we've got a pterodactyl. This is going to be, honestly, it's going to be torn into bits. So it's got a squeaker. And it's soft. I have a feeling my boys are going to just make this into a nasty gnarl. Well, watch out. He was trying to get in my drawers and he closed the drawer. And then these are probably going to go, I know it. So there are categories of types of toys. You can do soft, you can do medium, or hard toys. We might have to go to the medium next time because these, they're going to get destroyed. Oh, I know. Look at that. Let me take the tag off. But yeah, it's cute because it's Jurassic Park. Oh, he loves toys. These boys tear up toys. And then we have a little raptor, which, is this beta? Oh yeah, beta. Take this off, get it ready for Guillermo too. Oh yeah, you want this one too? This one, ah, it squeaks in the head. So there's the raptor, and then the pterodactyl he's done with. He wants to, what do you think? What do you thinks? What do you pinks? I know, I always talk funny with my dogs. But yes, it seems like Bakugo likes everything that he I mean, I know this is under Guillermo's and it's Guillermo's box, but if I were to have Guillermo up here, he's going to poop on me because he gets so excited. We'll slowly start getting him into the unboxing videos, but Bakugo's always really well behaved upstairs, so that's why I have him up here. But Guillermo will probably be in the next one. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, my box was $23 a month for a 12-month subscription, and then of course it's $7 shipping, so it comes out to like $30. Then we of course got the free splash pad for starting it. That's not an offer that they have often, so if you do see that offer still, get on it so that way you can get a little splash pad for your dog. I absolutely love my dogs. I had Chihuahuas before. They were amazing, amazing dogs. And if you hadn't seen, I think one of my videos I did mention, I didn't have the heart to film a video for talking about my passing of my dog Chalupa. She was 15 and she passed away in April. And then Jujubee passed away last year in November, right before we got Guillermo. We got Guillermo to kind of help with the ease of the loss, because losing my 2 Chihuahuas is such a big deal because they were amazing dogs. They had a very good life. Jujubee lived to be about 9. She had epilepsy, so I did talk about that, and you'd seen them in my way old videos when I was living in Denver, when I talked about the CBD oil for pet relief. That helped her quite a bit, and you know, she led a really good life for an epileptic dog. She had probably developed something they're saying maybe a lesion or a tumor in her brain from the epilepsy. There's a lot of complications with epilepsy. And then with Chalupa, of course, she was just very old. I know after Jujubee passed away, she kind of just wasn't the same. She started declining, losing her sight, and she just had a hard time. She didn't eat, so we had to make that gut-wrenching decision. It's not easy, let me tell you, but luckily the boys have been very helpful, because we got Bakugo last year in, what we get him? In May. Yeah.
The end of May?
Yeah, he was ready at the end of May. And then, yeah, because we got him around my mom's birthday. He's born March 31st, and Guillermo is born November 8th, and we got him on New Year's Eve of 2020, and then him was May of 2021. And they're both 1. They're 4 months apart, so having 2 puppy boys, it's not easy. And yeah, they're crazy. Pugs are hyper. My girls were always good. They could roam the house freely. We didn't have to baby gate them and anything, but slowly we're starting to let them kind of explore a little more. We have to close all the doors upstairs and close all the doors that they want to explore, so you cannot leave things on the floor. They get into everything. It seems like Bakugo is the biggest scavenger. He wants to know everything that's happening. So yeah, I mean, I wanted to do an unboxing video for my bark box, because I mean, why not? I mean, let's do something besides beauty here on this channel. But yeah, here's the bark box little pamphlet as well. It's nothing special, it's just a little pamphlet. Oh my goodness. So I might upgrade, or not upgrade, well yeah, because you have to upgrade for the hard treats, but we'll probably just do the medium, not hard treats, the hard toys. We'll do the medium toys next box, because you can change it, and there's no extra charge. But for the tougher toys, for these 2, it's going to be $7 more, so $23 plus 7, and then of course the shipping 7. So yeah, you get a theme every month. You get to choose that. Says we'll add a free extra month to your subscription when your friends sign up. So they have like little things if you want to do that. It says each box should arrive around the 16th or the 22nd of the month. So our July one will be towards at the end. It does take a while to get here. I thought this one came pretty quickly because I ordered it last week and it came really quickly, but this was from June. So this is a June box. And then when I'm filming this, it's July, but July box should be coming in towards the end of the month, and I'll just try and see if I can dedicate myself to filming that every month so that you guys can kind of see more of my doggies and get to know my babies, because they're really great dogs, and as crazy as they are, they have changed our family for the better, just helped us with the grief of losing our 2 Chihuahuas. Normally I don't like the mindset of replacing a dog. No, because you can't replace my girls ever, ever, ever. But they do help. They do help with the grief. Hey, get out of my stuff. No. I'm trying to get my makeup brush out of my bag. All right, so I'm gonna grab him so he can sign us off. Oh, I'm Towie. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, he's so wiggly. Hi. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. He doesn't know what to do. He's looking at himself in the mirror like, who is that? Okay, so I'll let him go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to continue seeing my dogs, let me know. If you have any questions about my dogs, let me know. I am a first-time pug owner, so I am learning as I go. They are pretty high-priced babies, but I know that Guillermo has mellowed out quite a bit. Juno, my sister's dog, she's crazy, but she's an only dog, so she just has free range. She doesn't share anything with any other dogs. Only time she kind of calms and mellows out is when she's with the boys. We're watching her this weekend for my sister so she can get a break, and my niece can get a break as well because it's actually my niece's dog. But she's a pug too. She's a fawn pug, and she has a underbite, and she's madly in love with my dog Guillermo. But Guillermo will eventually be in the videos as we move along and get him used to going upstairs. So thank you guys so much for watching.